A conflict.
What is a conflict?
Have you ever seen anything like this in the world of music? I mean, Genesis started off with Phil Collins just as a drummer, and then he became the singer. Peter Gabriel, before that, was with Genesis, great solo career. Mike Rutherford, great solo career. It's just been really good for these guys. It's unbelievable. All their solo careers, sort of like the Beatles, you know. This is my white side coming out, yo.
Ubona ukuthi umculo osedebeni bayalo kwampela nengoma ethi manga bengicela babancela uxolo babanxolele nyeke ngiphisa amadoda ngithi hamba uyondlala ngizosuka ngithathe isagila ngikubhule ingoma leyo idlalwa eradioweni.
See, I at least know that song.
Idlalwa eradioweni ngepride ngeconfidence le radio DJs ithi bayashekela bamphula ngesagila ngalabo umplasa kalambula le dead bese lithi Oscar wrong hayi uphule ngesagila mbulale futhi uthi ngizosuka ngithathe isagila ngikubhule futhi kusho ukuthi umshayile kokuqala azange air police station lo mama bamshayile wavele wandlala wathi baba sengicedile wamphula ngesagila futhi radio dlale radioini hayi prime time radio bese umuntu ayibheka lonke ngeconfidence athi imzuzu lapho isayithatha bayathatha sithatho ke lapho yabo baba umphule ngesagila mbulale futhi the country le it's either simameli or asinandaba idlala nge-16 days of activism leyo ngoma ngiyosunta sakhe siyabonga amaZulu edlala erenkeni lesikhathi ke angaza amaZulu waya amavestable bonke amavestable so isipono ngaphandle lo ndoba futhi fika kupela taxi yakhe manje uzositshela kama usuqedile ukuphapha bese ngena kule taxi renkeni lo futhi sona manje baba ngifuna taxi ejibisini bathi oh sorry baba mina ngijimisini ndihambe kahle wazakapha.
What is it's a sense of humor though, isn't it?
They don't have sense. Basile. Hala baba serenkeni. No baba ngijimisini ndihambe kahle. Barandaba nani Monday ekseni, barandaba nani taxini ngicwele. Nginabhadala ama 50 rand ukonibheka nje. Ngibheka vela ngene garage. Thenga komazi thenga champisi. Walo 50 rand 1. Na inkomazi yakho. Ayishintsha yakho. Kunika negroza ukunika igroza. Wena unemali ehlangene ekseni. Ana bafuna ihlekiso. Bafuna benjani weekend ubuzelayo? Anamse amazulu wana ndaba thu. Like amazulu lento kuthiwa abafazi baya abuse. Ayikho kule country. Khona manje inkosi yakhona ithe i-country lena iyodi country. Ithe inkosi icela ukuthi indaba yamalobolo iphele. How? It was on the papers this week. Uthocela indaba yamalobolo iphele. Umuntu ba right ngefateni said ngoba ikho lento kulotsho ulotshola kanjani umuntu olotsholayo umuntu onganangane ongakenzi lutho olbhedayo hawu nihamba neplash no pepsoduma lalila le mabuye ufuna ukulotshola cha ngokulotshola ukalala ngendlini Kingswell team